A few months ago, I was at a meeting in the UK at the Royal Society, and we were talking about AI and agency. And when I was at a table of computer scientists, and I was just explaining how AI, agency is, it's weird that people think that anything has agency outside of a human, and they were all aghast. They were like, "What are you talking about? Of course it has agency. I write agents all the time." I was like, "What are you?" There's kind of this misuse of the word. So I like the word agency a lot. Agency, basically, if I'm a proper agent in the world, I have certain rights afforded to me by I don't know, the world. Some human rights, like bank account, birth certificate, legal status, right? These things are kind of given to me. Why? Well, I'm a biological entity. I can be murdered. I can be a murderer. I could be. I interact in a way in the world because I presumably have some free will, and that free will is not easily discernible from. If you come to me and wonder what's going in my head, it's very hard to figure out what I'm thinking. And so human beings have this agency. Animals have agency as well. Humans have more agency, it would appear, because they have more ability to affect change in the world. And that agency comes from birth, right? From conception to walking around in the world, your education, the social interactions, and that myriad of things you go through, right, growing up and to go on every day. And that agency is grown, not programmed. And ultimately, all these social layers we have, well, our agency does one thing, is like, please don't die. It's like biology is like, say, please compete, procreate, don't die. And that's where I think agency comes from. Again, goes all the way back to the origin of life. Now, when you say, oh no, ChatGPT has agency, and I'm like, well, okay, the programmer that built ChatGPT had agency, and they wrote some code to basically give an output, and all that agency is outsourced from other human beings. So I guess the right thing, the thing I could basically push everyone, is to say, what is the origin, the original prime mover in your universe, the agency? Where does that come from? Um, 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 that is really important to get right, because these AI devices do not have agency. They merely have an illusion of agency or shadow of agency from the creators and the technology of the technology.